Hi guys! So I'm here today with a video and it's on this look that I have. Today I wanted to do something like more Instagram baddie type of look. I wanted something dramatic on the eyes. I wanted some like big lashes and I really like how it turned out. So if you want to learn how to get this look or just watch me do my makeup, then please keep on watching. Okay, I zoomed you guys in so you guys can see what I'm doing exactly on my eyes. I'm going to be using the, if I can open it, Naked Urban Decay Honey palette today. So excited because I've only used this like once. So I'm going to do something for sure super bronzy. A brush like this one, and I'm gonna use the sweet color on this palette, and it is this one right here. I'm gonna be using this one as a transition color. And I'm now gonna go with the color Hive, and it's a color that's like a little darker than the other one, with the same brush. Going a little deeper into my eye crease, I'm gonna use the color Drip. Is this one. Literally picking up like a small bit. Okay, so now with a more precise brush like this one, I'm gonna use a dark color. It's gonna be a dark brown. It's called Sting on this palette. This is solely gonna go on the crease. On the crease. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm trying to be very precise with this one because I don't want a very dark look, to be honest. I'm just using this one to kind of blend the other color with this one. So I honestly don't want like anything, I'll fall out. I don't want anything too dark. And I'm probably gonna use this brush. This is another very, I don't know why it's not zooming. It's a very thin brush with that same Sting color. I really want it on my crease. Actually, I'm gonna use this palette. It's called Nude, and it's by Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna use the color, I don't even know what color, oh, Charmed. And I kind of stop it just halfway through and just don't do like just a sudden stop. It kind of like blend it like that, so it can look like it's smoky and blend it out with the rest. I'm gonna go in again with that small brush and that color Sting, the dark chocolate one, and I'm gonna apply it again on the end and then kind of like work through the edge, like squint your eye a little like this and then kind of like add a little bit of that dark chocolate over that shimmer. Don't worry about like blending it right now because you can go in with another brush. Now I'm going to use that sweet color, the transition color that we first used in the beginning, with one of these fluffy, more precise brush. so I can blend all this together. That way it doesn't look too harsh. I'm going to use a little bit of that Hive. Typically all the same colors that you use in the beginning, you start using again, just to make sure that it blends. And I go in again with that shimmer color. Make sure I didn't cover it. I was thinking if I should even add eyeliner, but I do want to add eyeliner. I feel like it's gonna look nice. I like to start from the back. By the way, it is so hard to do your eyeliner from far away, like I'm doing right now. So if it looks a little crooked, don't be surprised. I'm gonna go ahead and add my mascara. Okay, since I'm going for like that Instagram baddie type of look, I'm gonna use a very dramatic lash. Think about using dramatic lashes. If you're not going for like a dramatic look, then don't put these lashes on. If you wanna just kind of because I feel like lashes cover up the makeup, so you can hardly see your actual effort on the eyeshadow with some dramatic lashes. But it's just personal preference. I'm gonna be using these. You'll see right now. It's gonna make a big difference on my eye. I get so impatient. Let me use this. This is a fan that I got from. I got this fan on Amazon, and I like to use it. I also use it to dry my mascara because I always put a lot of layers, so this really helps with. I have this tool that's really good, and it helps you blend your real lash with your false lash. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye before it gets too late, and then I'll be right back. I'll add some color on the lower lash, and I typically use the transition colors or the colors that I used in the beginning. I'm using the color Hive in the Honey palette, Urban Decay one. And I'm doing it kind of closely to the lash line, but kind of bringing it down in the end, just in the end. I don't know why today the glue kind of made my eye watery. So if you see it, it's because my eye is like crying a little bit. It's like a very precise brush. And this one, I'm gonna add a little bit of that, the color Sting, that dark chocolate, more in the end. And then I'm also gonna add a little bit of that nice shimmer, like in the middle part. I feel like it'll look nice. I'm just being very careful because this palette does have a lot of fallout. Then with that shimmery color from the Huda palette, I'm gonna add it, like I said, like in the middle part. And I'm gonna wet the brush with that Fix Plus. I always add mascara on the lower lash, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, ladies or guys, this is the final look. I'm gonna set my makeup. So what do you guys think? Did you like the look? Is it too much? Did you like adding, you know, mascara on the bottom lash? I don't know, I feel like some people don't do that, or some people don't add anything in the bottom part. I like a more smoky look. This is definitely like an Instagram baddie look. I definitely recommend you trying it. Get some like bomb lashes, big long lashes that fit your eyes. Make sure to measure, make sure to cut the lash if it doesn't fit you. Make sure to have like a tool like this. But I really like it. I really like how it looks. Good turnout. But yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say. I really hope you guys enjoyed spending some time with me and watching me do my makeup. I hope you learned something, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.